They
Sir, I think this question is wrong.
Yep, dear children. So, um,
Sir,
yep,
I think there's a printing mistake in this because for A, it is a prime number, it is supposed to be smaller than 11. I checked most of all of the prime numbers and substituted the values, but I couldn't seem to find the
okay.
answer.
Let me just try. So in this
Yes.
case, they have said that x is an integer where x square minus 5x equal to 6 it is. Okay. And b is what? X is an integer where x is a prime number smaller than 11. So it's not compulsory that both of them should have same numbers. No, it is not compulsory like that. Okay. Yeah, but still, let's check. So this comes under the category of quadratic equation. So since it is equal to 6, what I'll do, I'll take 6 to the other side. It becomes minus 6. Then on the other side, you'll be having 0. Do you understand this equation which has come from here?
yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
very good. Now, since you're in grade 8, I am assuming you might have been taught with quadratic equation. सिखाया है आपको?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, सिखाया है.
बढ़िया है. So
No, sir.
basically, no. Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, so for few students, they are not taught. So for now, I'll just okay, I'll just कैसे इसको ठीक है, I'll just give you a simple logic. Okay, so you have to break this minus 5x into two numbers so that when you add those numbers, you should get minus 5. When you multiply those numbers, you should get minus 6. This is the condition. So I will be breaking this as minus 6x plus x. So what happens? Plus x means what? Plus 1x, basically it is. So minus 6 plus 1, when I add them, I get minus 5. Minus 6 and plus 1, when I multiply them, I get minus 6. So this is the condition. When you add them, you should get middle number. When you multiply them, you should get the last number. Then I'll write the last number as it is. So this is how I break. And then I take common. I take x common from here. I'll be getting x minus 6. And I'll take 1 common from here, plus 1. I'll be getting x minus 6 over here also equal to 0. Then, like again, I'll take common. X minus 6 I have on one side, x plus 1 I have on another side. And that will give me x equal to 6. Basically, okay, that also I'll explain. X minus 6 is equal to 0. That is one possible answer. Or x plus 1 equal to 0. That is another possible answer. Okay, these are the
Or
two
it's
possible
either
answers.
6 or
So
minus
Sir,
1.
but in the first statement you've written x square minus 5x minus 6.
no, it's equal to 6 it was. I took 6 to this side, it became minus 6, and over here I got 0. That's how I got this. Okay?
Okay, sir. But
Sir,
sir, but if you
and how
multiply
will even
6x and 1x, then you get 6x square, not minus 6.
No, no, no. You don't have see, I have told you to add or multiply only the numbers, not x. Only the numbers.
Acha. Okay, sir. Yes.
Okay?
Sir, I
So,
also had another doubt in sets. If we wanted to say related to three sets, if we wanted to say their intersection, how would we symbolize it? A intersection B intersection C?
yep.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
sir,
So, just a
I
minute,
have a
just a minute,
doubt.
just a minute, just a minute. Let me just complete this line. So minus 6 goes to the other side, it becomes plus 6, x equal to 6, or another option, another solution is x equal to minus 1. So these two numbers can satisfy this equation. So in short, we have just found which two numbers can satisfy these equations. Okay. Now Satya, ask your doubt.
Sir, actually, I'm Kavin, sir. Uh, sir, the fact I have doubt is in this part, sir. How did you get x minus 6 whole times x plus 1, sir?
That how did I do? So x is also common. I've taken x also common from x minus 6, and I've taken plus 1 common from x minus 6. So I have 2x minus 6. So whenever you have any repetitions, what do? You take common. So I take x minus 6 common outside, and inside the bracket, I'll be writing whatever is left over. Over here, x is left. Over here is plus 1 is left. Hence, I've written x plus 1 inside the bracket. Okay,
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
sure. So okay, let me just complete the explanation, otherwise it will remain incomplete only. So this is A. So A comprise of what? A comprise of, it's an integer, right? So 6 and minus 1 both are integers. So 6 and minus 1, these are the elements of A. I just found the elements of A. Now what do we have for B? So what are the elements of B? They are the prime numbers less than 11, right? So let's say, which are the prime numbers? Tell me.
1, 3, 5, 7, and 11. If we consider 11.
If you
So 2,
consider
so
11.
2, 3,
Sir,
5,
two,
7.
three,
No, 2,
five,
3,
seven.
5, 7. 2,
Very
3,
good, very
5,
good.
7.
Not one.
I was just going to ask you, is 1 a prime number? But the others already told the answer, yes. 1 is not a prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11 we won't be considered because they have said it should be lesser than 11, not less than or equal to 11. So I'll not be considering 11. So I'll be considering anything less than 11. That is 2, 3, 5, and 7. But at the same, yeah. Now, when I take union of them, it's basically mine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements are there. Your answer is 6.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yep.
Sir, while solving the quadratic equation, how will we get to know that what answer you have to take 6 or minus 1 in this case?
Matlab minus 6 plus 1. Matlab this one, second step. You're speaking about the second step, right?
No, no, sir. I am speaking about the final answer. Like, what should we consider the value of x?
Both are correct. 6 is also correct and minus 1 is also correct. Both are equally correct answers. It has two answers.
Okay. Okay, okay. And sir, one more doubt. How did you get like minus 6x plus 1x?
I basically use the logic which two numbers can add to give these numbers and multiply to give this number. So first my thought was like 3 and 2. I tried 3 and 2. So 3 plus 2 comes as 5. So I don't want plus 5. I need minus 5. So minus 3 minus 2 comes out to be minus 5. Yes, that is correct. But minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 is plus 6, which is not matching with this. So therefore, I then did not consider 3 and 2. Then you can consider 1 and 4. 1 and 4 is not going to make any sense because it doesn't give you any multiplication. You can consider 3 and 2 ho gaya, 1 and 4 ho gaya. Then what is left? 6 and 1. So 6 and 1 mein, yes, it is making sense. I hope I am clear.
Yes,
So
sir,
you
you
have
are
to
clear.
try. So this comes with practice only. Okay.
Yes, sir, clear.
ठीक है. So I'll wait for a minute for you guys to note it down. काफी slow चल रहा है यार. We'll have to increase our speed. Yes, Naitik. Tell me what's your doubt.
Sir, actually, I was just seeing the ninth one. In the
Mm-hmm.
fourth option, it is I written or one written.
Ninth one. Which of the following is not an empty set?
Fourth option.
Yeah, it
Fourth
should be
option, it is
one.
I or one.
It should be one. It's not I.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, even if it was I, then it will be correct only.
X should be greater than an integer. भाई integer को define कैसे करोगे तुम?
हाँ.
Yeah, the integer
जीरो
will
जीरो
go
भी आ
negative.
जाएगा ना. 0 minus 1. Okay. So 1 ही आएगा.
Hmm.
We can take n though. n हम ले सकते हैं ना सर?
X. अच्छा n अगर लिया तो 1, 2. These are the two possible. नहीं. N greater than. नहीं. The thing is, see, you cannot take n also. When you say n, 1 is also n and 2 is also n, right? So यहाँ पर क्या लोगे? Will you consider 2 over here or will you consider 1 over here?
अच्छा, तो then it'll become a null set.
है ना? That's right.
Okay.
Sir, same with integer, right? The explanation you gave, same can be done with integer, and that is why it will be wrong.
Correct. You will have multiple
Okay,
answers
sir.
if you consider integer. You need one answer. Going for the seventh one, if a is x, where x is natural number, x is a square number, which is less than 20. Okay, what are the possible values of a? Square number. So 1 is a square number, 4 is a square number, 9 is a square number, 16 is a square number. So these are the possible values. And b is again a natural number which is ranging from 2 to 18. Then the cardinal number of a intersection b will be how much? So 2 से लेकर 18 तक सभी लोग b के अंदर है. I'm just writing dot dot dot. Not going to write everything. So sorry, 2 नहीं होगा ना. My bad. 2 से लेकर, so it's the number should be greater than 2, which means 3 से
सर,
लेकर
so
it should be
3
less
से
than
लेकर 17 तक.
17, from 3 to 17. So they are asking about the intersections cardinal number. So first of all, 1 is not an intersection, but 4 is an intersection. Yes, 4 is an intersection, 9 is an intersection, 16 is an intersection. So the number of intersections will be
3.
yes. So for those who might have not understood, I'll just write in detail. A intersection B is going to be 4, 9, 16, which means its number will be 3. So that's how your answer is 3, option 3.
Sir, when we write A intersection or A union B, do we
Mm-hmm.
keep it in brackets, curved brackets?
It's okay. So while writing the name of the sets, the brackets are not important. जैसे कि A के बाजू में bracket is not important. आप लिखो नहीं लिखो फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Similarly, A intersection B लिखोगे तो you can keep it empty. But while writing the elements, you'll have to use the curvy brackets. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Hmm. Let's go for the eighth one. Okay, let's go for the eighth one. For any two sets P and Q, P union Q is equal to Q union P. Yes, that is correct. And P intersection Q is equal to Q intersection P. That is also correct. These are two correct laws. These two laws are what? That's what they are asking. इसमें से क्या है? Are they identity laws? Identity laws मतलब दोनों same है. मतलब this and this, are both of them same? No. One is speaking about union and the other one is speaking about intersection. So I cannot say that it is an identity law. No. दोनों एक ही चीज नहीं बताते हैं. Are they commutative laws? Yes. Now, for those who do not know what is a commutative law means, for example, A multiplied by B is equal to B multiplied by A. In short, आप उल्टा करोगे तो भी same रहेगा. Such kind of laws are called as commutative law. Okay. Now, I'll explain associative also. What is an associative law? For example, if you have three numbers in multiplication, like A multiplied by B multiplied by C, either you can multiply A and B first and then answer को तुम C के साथ multiply करो, that is also right. Or you can multiply B and, sorry, my pen is misbehaving, just a minute. Yeah, you can multiply B and C first and then उसके आंसर को आप C A से multiply कर सकते हो, that is also correct. So you apply any of these methods, you will be getting the correct answer. Therefore, that is called as associative law. What is distributive law? If A is multiplied with B and then add, added with C. So B plus C को A से multiply करना होगा. So what you have to do, you will have to open the bracket and distribute them amongst both of them, right? So the answer goes like this: A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. This is called as
Sir,
distributive law.
so basically AB plus AC.
AB plus AC, correct. So this is called as
Sir, what
distributive
is
law.
identity law? I didn't understand what is identity law.
Identity law means okay, identity law means, for example, I'm saying that A is 1, 2, 3, and I'm also saying that A is X, where X is a natural number and X is less than 4. So both are actually same, है ना? So if this is law number one and this is law number two, or maybe this is equation number one and equation number two, technically speaking, दोनों तो same ही है. There is no difference between them. Such kind of two equations, if they are in front of you, you call them as identity laws because both the laws
Okay,
are
sir.
going to tell you the same thing,
Sir,
exactly the same thing.
what changes should we make in this question to make the answer identity law?
यार ऐसा एग्जाम्पल तो याद नहीं आ रहा. लेट मी जस्ट थिंक. I'm trying to think. Okay, maybe something like this. Uh, A multiplied by 1 is equal to A. This is law number 1. 1 multiplied by A is equal to A. This is law number 2. ऐसा दो laws अगर आपके सामने आ रहा है, then you say these two laws are identity laws.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, these will be identity and commutative law, both, right?
No, commutative होने के लिए the law should be like this. A multiplied by 1 is equal to 1 multiplied by A. This is called as commutative law.
Okay, understood.
Okay.
So, sir, the above given statement and this is same only, na? A into 1 is equals to 1 into A. So, it's one and the same.
It's one and the same because आपको commutative law पता है. You know what is a commutative law. You know that they are the same. So what if आपको पता ही नहीं होता तो? For example, A union B and B union A, they are same. This I told you before I teaching you. आपको पता था उसके बारे में?
No, sir.
Exactly. If you don't know, how can you say that they are same? So laws are always created like that.
Okay,
Laws
sir.
comes first. So laws में पता होने के chances कम होते हैं. Okay.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Hmm. Okay, I'm erasing this. The answer to this is, by the way, commutative law. I've already told you it's commutative law. Yes, Rishan, tell me what's your doubt. Okay, I'm assuming.
Sir, I forgot.
Okay, sorry. Which of the following is not an empty set? Not an empty set. A is natural number, x is less than 1. It's an empty set. This is true. Um, oh, sorry, empty set को ऐसे resemble करता हूँ. It's an empty set. It's an integer and 2x equal to 3. So x should be equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 तो आपको भाई डेसिमल में देगा 0.67. So x integer भी होना चाहिए and x should satisfy this equation also, which is
Sir,
not going
x
to be
should be
possible.
3/2, not 2/3, right?
Yeah, 3 by 2. Okay, my bad. 3 by 2, whatever it is, it comes in decimal only. So it is never possible कि हाँ भाई x can satisfy this equation and can be an integer. No, it is not possible. Hence, this answer is also a null set. Now, x is a whole number where x is less than 0. That is also not possible. That is also a null set. X is a natural number where it is between 1 and 3. Yes, that is possible because 2 is a possibility. 2 can be a natural number which can lie between 1 and 3. Therefore, it is not a null set. Hence, option 4 is your correct answer. Okay? So, 10th question. Which of the following does not represent a set builder form of set A? So, set builder form कौन represent नहीं करता है? So, x, where x is a whole number, they should have written and over here, and x is less than 10. So, since there is no and, this can be a wrong answer, but let's check. Again, a is equal to x, where x is again,
Sir, this
where
question is also wrong.
I think this is, yeah, this is wrong because we generally don't write where before we write something. X should be a natural number or integer, something should be there. So those hints are
Sir, so
not
if
there.
we see by that logic, then the
No,
fourth
sir.
one is also wrong.
Yeah, fourth one
Wait,
and third one both are wrong.
let me
Even
just check.
logically, the fourth one.
Wait, third one, why
Yes,
is
sir.
it wrong? It is a set builder form, right?
Third.
But sir,
No,
Comma
sir.
and both are fine.
Sir,
But
but
it
it
doesn't
is
include.
natural number.
It does not
Natural
include
number less
zero.
than 10, right?
Yeah, but
Sir,
it does
but
not
we got
include zero.
zero.
Sir, natural number does not include 0, right?
Arey, these numbers. Oh, I did not see
Sir, and
these
then
numbers only.
in the fourth one, if we see x is a one-digit number including zero, but one-digit numbers can even be -1, -2. So they are also one-digit numbers.
This is also printing error. This is all error basically. 0 to
So
9
basically,
less
the
than
third and
10.
fourth one is also wrong.
Sir, a
Yeah, this
statement
is
cannot
wrong.
start with where.
No.
Means
Matlab,
is it a rule?
yeah, matlab, see, when you're mentioning where, it should make some sense. Where what? No, we don't do that.
Sir, but fourth one, where x is a one-digit number including zero. So okay, so it
Yeah,
will be
this can
minus
be,
also can come.
yeah,
Minus
this
can
can
also
be
come.
one digit number.
The fourth
Ha,
one is
minus
also
can
wrong.
also.
The fourth
Mhm.
one, yeah, -1,
Fourth one
-2,
cannot
-3.
represent this one. The third one
So
cannot
universal
be
set.
represented.
It will be a
This cannot
universal
be
set.
represented because the information is incomplete. 0 और 9 के बीच में 1.1 is also there, 1.2 is
Yeah,
also
it
there.
should
So
be
you need to mention
where x is natural,
hmm,
where x is a one
X is a
step.
whole number and they missed. Okay, and अगर miss किया होता तो this could have represented. Anyway, So ultimately, it's a wrong question. So I hope
Yeah.
I'm really glad that you guys are also able to identify that it's a wrong question, which means it's a victory. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, Priya.
if
Just a minute, Naitik. Priya, tell me.
Sir, if they had given and, it will be till only 9, right? Because it's less than 10, so 10 won't be in.
10 won't be included. Absolutely. So then it will definitely satisfy this particular set. Okay.
sir, but if and is not given, then we can just ignore that mistake, right? Or not?
Yeah, matlab, in such cases you can ignore. So that's why I said कि I'll just put and over here and I'll just keep it aside. मतलब ignore कर रहा हूँ mistake को, बाकी के options को देख लेता हूँ. Hence I went through the other options कि बाकी के options क्या बता रहे हैं मुझे. And later on I figured
सर
out कि
लेकिन
everything is wrong.
एंड अगर नहीं रहता
हम्म.
तो फिर अगर गलत ही होता ना वो पूरा. एंड नहीं है तो एक्चुअल में देखा जाए तो गलत रूल के हिसाब से.
Oh,
See,
actually, I still think it would be correct only.
you can consider it as correct because we are dealing with math, not English. So why is it wrong? Because
ओके
of the
सर.
English grammar, not because of the mathematical inaccuracy. I hope I'm clear. Okay. Yes, Dhruv, tell me, what's your doubt?
No, sir. Sir, the printing mistake will be that the question is not. So there would not be a not, and the first option could have and.
Huh, that is also a possibility, but we don't know what can be the possibility. So let's just
Okay.
analyze. So even if the question is wrong, that's why I analyze the question. So हमारे लिए main चीज क्या important है? We should be able to identify the type of question, or we should be able to think on the type of questions which when we are going to solve our mega final or maybe final exams. That's what we are
Yes, sir.
doing. So since we are able to analyze, we are good. It's okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. कोई भी question, if any question is wrong, you don't have to panic. You are not मतलब you don't have to compulsorily find an answer to it. Just identify करो कि वो wrong है और वो क्यों wrong है. Why is it wrong? Just identify and leave it. खत्म. Just write the wrong question over there. WQ और ऐसे लिख के निकल जाओ. खत्म. Let's go for the 11th question. Set A is prime factors of 21 and set B is prime factors of 40. They are what? ये चीज मैं नहीं करने वाला. I want you to do as homework. Okay, so please do it as
Sir, but
homework.
just 1 second. I just wanted to clarify one thing. Disjoint sets basically mean that there is nothing in common, right?
Nothing in common. Correct.
So then, अच्छा, yes, sir, okay.
By the way, मैंने अगर
Sir,
बोलो.
No, it's अच्छा, okay.
Sir, equal and equivalent are same only, no?
Wait, let me just get it down. I'm not able to see it. Equivalent sets करके हाँ दो both are same. Both are same.
no,
Yeah.
sir, the both are not same. Equivalent set means the cardinality of both the sets is same, whereas equal set means that the elements are and everything is
So
same
only
between.
elements are same.
So when the elements are same, the cardinal numbers will be same, right? Acha. Oh,
Sir,
oh yeah.
but in equivalent set,
Hmm.
the only the cardinality should be same. It need not be like the element should be same.
Yeah. You're absolutely correct. My bad. Correct. So my dear children, equal sets means the sets are having equal elements. Equivalent sets means the number of elements are same. उतना ही है वो. This means this. मतलब if A के अंदर भी 1 2 3 है तो B के अंदर भी 1 2 3 ही होना चाहिए. This means if A is having 1 2 and 3, then B can have 4 5 6 also. Not a problem. सिर्फ number same होना चाहिए. The count should be same. That is the only condition.
Sir,
Okay.
for
Anyway,
11th, the
so tell
second
me,
one will be the answer.
yeah, since अभी इतना सब discussion हो चुका है, time
Sir,
चला
I
जा
don't
चुका है, तो चलो
understand
discuss ही कर
11.
लेते हैं. Tell me, what are the prime factors of 21?
The
1,
prime
3,
factors of
7.
Sir,
21 are
7.
3, 7, and 1.
3, 7.
3 and 7.
one
Sir,
won't be
1
counted.
should not
One,
become.
3
one
and
will not
3
be
7
and
only,
counted.
7.
sir.
So 3 and 7.
Okay,
3 and 7.
okay. Now tell me, what is the prime factor for 40?
2 and
2,
5.
2, then there is
25.
5, there
5.
is 5, then there is 8,
2,
I
5,
guess, then there's
8.
20, and then
And
there's
Prime
20,
20.
2
factors
and
for
5.
Sir,
3,
but it's asking a
7.
prime factors, right?
The
So
prime
8
factors
can't
are
count.
only 2
2
and
and
5.
5.
Wait,
2
so
and 5.
sir, then the question itself is again wrong.
2 and 5
Two
only.
options are correct in this
Yes, sir.
case.
2 options are correct.
Disjoint sets and equivalent sets, because if
Yes,
it's
Hmm.
sir.
2 and 5,
Hmm.
then nothing
Hmm.
is in common, but the cardinal number is the same.
Prime
So the
factors
question
in
is
this
again
case
wrong.
2, 5, yeah, 2 and 5. Mm, yep, yep, yep.
2 and 4.
Mm,
Which is an-
yep, 2 and 4. Both are correct. Prime factors in 40. Correct. I'm just thinking, just a minute. I'm just taking a time to think. Yeah, yep, 2 and 4 both are correct. Okay. So I'll mark it as 2 comma 4 only. 2 comma 4. Okay. Let's go for the next one. 12 one. If A is a set where x is an integer and x square is equal to 16. So when x square is equal to 16, when you take square root of 16, your possibilities are plus 4 and minus 4. Because plus 4 को square करेंगे तो भी 16 मिलेगा, minus 4 को square करेंगे तो भी 16 मिलेगा. Okay? Hence I've written like this. So these are the two possible numbers and integers में दोनों possibility है. B says x is an integer where x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. So the possible numbers are 5 and 4. It's like 5x minus 4x. Those are the possible numbers. So when you solve x square plus 5x minus 4x minus 20. So 5 minus 4 is 1, therefore 1x. Then plus 5 multiplied by minus 4 is minus 20. So I'm correct. So इसको मैं solve करके I'm not going to solve it completely. मैं shortcut में इसको solve कर रहा हूँ. The factors are going to be x plus 5 in the bracket x minus 4. That gives you x equal to minus 5 and x equal to plus 4. So B's factor is minus 5 and plus 4. Now, what they're asking is find the cardinal number of A union B. So, since 4 is common for both of them, when you unionize them, minus 5, minus 4, and plus 4, 3 will be the cardinal number. I hope you understand.
Yes, sir, understood.
Yeah. Okay. Now, let's go for the
Sir,
next. Yep.
Sir, I think this is a
can you please
repeated
scroll 1
question.
second up?
Oh, yeah. So, this is null set. हाँ,
Sir, can
बोलिए.
you just scroll 1 second up?
Yep.
Thank you, sir.
Shall I proceed further?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So, so 13th one is done. Let's do 14th one. If A is equal to so and so, so and so, so and so, B is equal to so and so, which of the following can be the set builder form of A intersection B? चलो देखते हैं A intersection B में क्या क्या है. 0 is there, 2 is there क्या? 2 is not there. 4 is there क्या? No, 4 is not there. 6, 8, अच्छा 1, 0, 1, 3, 5, 7. So only 0 is there. So A intersection B can be a natural number. Can it be a natural number? No, क्योंकि 0 है नहीं. ये भी wrong है क्योंकि it cannot be a natural number. Can it be a whole number? Yes. It can be less than 1. So option 3 is your correct answer.
Sir, if it was A union B, then first one was correct, right?
ए यूनियन भी अगर होता तो फर्स्ट वन भी करेक्ट नहीं होता था क्योंकि जीरो है नहीं ना नेचुरल नंबर पे.
हाँ,
फिर इसको
होल
डब्ल्यू
नंबर
करना
चाहिए
पड़ेगा.
वहां पे.
हाँ.
Okay,
So
sir.
then it would be the fourth one, none of these.
नन ऑफ दीज हो जाता था फिर तो करेक्ट। चलो ठीक है, तो आज के लिए इतना ही काफी है, बाकी नेक्स्ट क्लास में। ओके, चलो टेक केयर, बाय।
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Have a nice
Bye,
day,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Good
Bye,
night, sir.
sir.
सेम टू यू, सेम टू यू।